Okay, well, today is Wednesday, June 8th, and I am currently researching for my next video. I'll probably be covering the power grid, haven't decided yet. That video is not till next week, however. If you are the type who likes to learn about technologies we surround ourselves with and use every day, then my channel, Tech-Intellection, is for you. I'm a smaller, newer channel, but I already have a handful of technologies that I've covered. Feel free to check them out. In fact, you can start with my latest one. Simply click here and enjoy.